The Manage extension is an inbuilt tool that lets you manage the change and release of data, giving you more control and visibility over data revisions. This is particularly useful if you have multiple design collaborators, a need for change history audits, or to easily establish any changes during productions. This Manage extension gives you a formal release or sign-off process, lets you manage Fusion 360 design and drawing revisions, enables collaborators to formally request a design change regardless of their location, and creates unique part numbers to differentiate designs. The extension is available for purchase under the Extensions tab in the upper right of Fusion. In this video, I'll give you an overview of the features and functionality in this extension, and will follow with more practical examples in later videos. With that in mind, let's begin. The first thing you might notice is the new Home button, as the Manage extension provides an integrated data management experience, giving you full access to information about a design directly within Fusion 360. Within this Home panel, you will be able to access recent data, projects, processes, and settings. The Projects tab lets you manage data with move, open, rename, delete, and export commands, collaborate with view, comments, markup, and share commands, and navigate folders, versions, and references. Whilst the Processes tab lets you access a dashboard of reports, recent items, and list of remaining work, access, view, and open design and drawing revisions, and manage the release of new revisions via change orders. Heading on over to our Manage toolbar in the Design workspace, we can see just 3 commands. We have Assign a number, which is an automated and unique number generator at the component or drawing level. After this number is generated, a record will be created within the process space and is associated to the respective component or drawing. Quick Release allows for a release without a workflow or approval. You should note that any in-context components cannot be quick released. Only top-level or linked components can. And finally, we have a release with change order. This is a digitized formal and standard release to production to help with traceability and compliance for certification purposes. Now you have an idea on the features and functionality of the Manage extension, let's take a bit more of a deeper dive in what these functions actually mean.